strategic relationship with Pakistan. Let's shed the light on ILSA Interactive. The company was founded back in 2009 by my dear partner, Salman Nasser. I joined ILSA Interactive as a co-founder in 2016. I made that decision by looking at the qualitative work produced by ILSA Interactive in the whole for our own projects. My journey to Pakistan started 5 years ago to explore the possibilities of establishing an IT company in Lahore as the hub of the IT industry in Pakistan in 2016. My first visit to Lahore was in early 2019, when I met the whole office team members of ILSA Interactive. It was for me to transfer the vision to them so they can align with the vision, mission and goals of the companies due to the Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. In October 2019, I again visited Lahore and went to LUMS UX Lab. It was very exciting to see the facility and a productive experience. Let me say that the resources in Pakistan are very talented in all fields. I had a pleasant experience. Technical resources, user experience, and quality assurance resources have been great work. Let me also give you of ILSA Interactive journey. From 2009 to 2016, we had 15 team members, and our total project value of 5 years was approximately $750,000 US. From 2016, which was the time I partnered with Mr. Salman, to 2022, more than 250 jobs were created, in addition to securing more than 50 projects. The total projects value today is more than $10 million. Now the growth rate in 5 years reached 247%, which is 13x multiples. For the next 5 years, we are looking forward to creating more than 1,000 jobs in Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and globally. We are expecting to have more than 300 projects with a minimum total project value of $100 million. In our headquarters in the Cape, we have qualified